Chapter 13. Our Earth and Its Neighbors. D. Answer the following questions. 1. Give 3 differences between a star and a planet. Answer. Star I. A star has its own light. 2. A star is very hot. 3. A star is bigger than a planet. Planet I. A planet does not have its own light. It reflects light. 2. A planet is cooler than a star. 3. A planet is smaller than a star. 2. What are the inner and the outer planets made up of? Answer. Inner planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are made up of rocks and metals. Outer planets like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are made up of gas and ice. 3. How was the Earth formed? Answer. Earth was formed long ago from hot gases and dust in space. These dust and gas stuck together, became a big ball, cooled slowly, and formed Earth. 4. How are seasons caused? Answer. Seasons are caused by 1. The Earth tilts on its axis. 2. The Earth revolves around the Sun. 5. Explain the following terms. A. Equator. An imaginary line that divides the Earth into 2 equal halves, north and south. B. Axis. An imaginary line on which the Earth rotates. C. Rotation. The spinning of the Earth on its axis. Rotation causes day and night. D. Revolution. The moving of Earth around the Sun. Revolution causes seasons.